Okay, excuse the view. I'm going to try to use this fetal Doppler to pick up the baby's heartbeat for the camera. And let's see if this is going to work. Okay, and this part is the speaker, and this is the Doppler. Going to be down in the abdominal area, trying to pick up the heartbeat if I can, if it doesn't take too long. Let's see. Probably hear my heartbeat. There it is. Give me a second. Hang on. I had it. No. That's me. There it is. Wait. Lost it. There it is again. Nope. Oh, sorry. Anyway, you just put this part on your belly with goo on it. I use liquid, water-based, sorry. Turn that off. Totally weird. Sorry. But you can barely make it out. I hope that this video picks up the sound alright. And hope you heard it. So let's get this uploaded. Hope it works.